Hello everyone, this is the Gent from Hills. Today we'll be learning about acronyms. Acronym is a word formed from the first letters of other words. Individual initial letters such as NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or EU, European Union. There are also certain mixed words such as radar, radio detection, and ranging. Some words are formed by using the first letters of the words, such as AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, or scuba, self contained underwater breathing apparatus. There are also times when we remove the less significant words, such as in, of, the. For example, NYT, the New York Times, where the is removed from New York Times. At times, they are also kept so that it can be pronounced easily. For example, TICA, the International Cat Association. Now, let us have a look at certain common words or certain common acronyms which have been used by the Indians. In sports, we have BCCI, that is Board of Control for Cricket in India, SAI, Sports Authority of India, IPL, Indian Premier League. At times in education, we have many words which are acronyms like PhD, the highest degree, Doctor of Philosophy, or the Apex Institution for Engineering, IIT, Indian Institute of Technology, BCom, Bachelors of Commerce. In politics, we have the ruling party, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, and we have the opposition, UPA, United Progressive Alliance, a Congress run political alliance. There are many professions also where we use acronyms like IAS, Indian Administrative Service, or CA, Chartered Accountant, Deputy Superintendent of Police, DSP. In governments also we have various positions which can be acronym: PM, Prime Minister; MP, Member of Parliament; or CM, Chief Minister of a state. If you have been traveling, there are many times when you may have to register at one of the foreigners registration offices. For India, if a foreign tourist is traveling, they have to get themselves registered with FRRO, that is Foreigners Regional Registration Office. Have you traveled by train? If yes, you might have booked a ticket as well. IRCTC, that is Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, has a website where you can book a ticket. Do you wish to make a international call? Let's get connected. Use IST, International Subscriber Dialing. Have you made a booking recently? Do you know your own record? Let's check. PNR is the passenger name record used for transport reservations where you can identify yourself for air transport, rail transport, at times road transports as well. Then banking, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, or the largest bank in India, SBI, State Bank of India. We also have ministries such as MEA, Ministry of External Affairs, or MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs. I hope we were able to explain to you the acronyms which are used commonly. Thank you for listening, and in the next session, we will learn about portmanteaus. This is the Gent from Hills signing off. Have a good day.